So guys, there are features in the Samsung world which gets introduced, people actually like them, but then they get taken off the shelf from future flagships. But one of those features might be returning on the Galaxy S22 Ultra, and also guys, do subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Now the list of the features which fans dearly loved and Samsung took them off the shelf is very long. It includes iris scanner, headphone jack, force touch, variable aperture lens, the customizable Bixby button and many more. One of those such features was a terabyte of internal storage. It was last seen on the Galaxy S10 Plus model back in February of 2019. After that, all the flagships maxed out at 512 gigs, and now 3 years later, Samsung is about to bring back the 1TB model back on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Sam Mobile reported that a variant of the Galaxy S22 Ultra could boast a whopping 1TB of built-in storage, which should be enough even for the most demanding users. And on a productivity smartphone like the S22 Note, you need all the storage in the world. While this is not the first time we have a 1TB on a Samsung smartphone, it is returning after a long time, and because even Apple, who is synonymous for having less storage than the competition, is now providing a 1TB storage option, so Samsung had to give an answer to Apple by releasing a similarly big enough storage variant. However, it's not all roses and sunshine, because Samsung is expected to actually drop the expandable storage next year, this year. So this means that the S22 Ultra's 1TB of storage is somewhat of a compensation for the lack of expandable memory. With 8K recording and all the stuff we do on a smartphone, if there isn't a way to expand the storage later on, then I suggest to get a minimum of 128 or maybe 256 for your daily use. The price of the 1TB model will be quite high. I reckon it will be around $400-500 more expensive than the base storage variant, which is a lot, but high-speed storage is quite expensive even in the computer market. But lack of expandable storage is something I will dearly miss. Now there are some more features which I really want to make a comeback, main of them being the iris scanner. I understand why it was removed, but when the technology gets enough good that we can put all sort of sensors under the display, I would want the iris scanner to come back. Also, the variable aperture lens is really needed on those big lenses of 108 megapixel to produce pictures with a bigger plane of focus. Now guys, this is it for today's video. Finally, the 1TB storage variant is coming back and I am happy to see it. Let me know guys, what other features do you want to make a return in the future smartphones? Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more such videos. You can say hi to me on the socials from the description, and guys, thanks a lot for watching.